gonna make Pasquale's eggplant meatballs. Just like Pasquale does. You know Pasquale? Pasquale, he knows how to do it. We really gotta sweat these good because we don't want the kids going, ooh, is that an onion in there, Dad? I don't like onions. Would you say in there? What? Yeah, you know what the Pasquale guy doesn't show you? The Pasquale guy doesn't show you how he's getting plastered while he's cooking. My favorite wine glass. Pull that up, buddy. Pull it up. Come on. There you go. That's it. Up, buddy. Up. Up. Come on, you can do it. That's it. Fill it. Fill it. Yeah, buddy.
Since when did you get a new wine machine?
Yeah, that's it. Good times.
I'm gonna play Nintendo.
Gotta make the kids, gotta put them to work. You know what I mean? We're gonna put the nice eggplant that we got from our garden. We're gonna add it to the pot. Come on, get it down there, buddy.
Oh yeah.
All right, here we go. There we go. Just like what's his name said. You know Pasquale? That's how Pasquale did it.
Why are you going on with Pasquale?
What?
Why are you going on with Pasquale?
You don't know who Pasquale is?
No.
Hey, get got city!
Ah, help!
Look at that, huh? How's that look, buddy?
That looks good.
Looks good, huh? We're gonna make this into meatballs, you know?
Cool.
How's that look?
It doesn't look like it can go into meatballs.
Yeah, well, you just wait and see. Don't smart me. What'd I tell you about smarting me, huh? What'd I tell you? Huh? What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you? Easy. Battery operated. Look at this. No grinding. Who's a genius?
Dad. But whoever made that is also a genius. Dad, you're gonna drink wine or you're gonna finish cooking dinner?
You're gonna smart me?
Good.
Let's go. You ready? We gotta put this. You see this bowl?
Yeah, I see the bowl.
You see the strainer?
Yeah, I see the strainer.
All right, we gotta put this into the strainer.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's heavy.
Oh, okay.
Oh man.
I'm getting it, Dad.
Are you getting it? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
All right, let's see if we can get it all
nice
in there.
and close.
Oh god. All right, I think I got it.
Oh god,
that wasn't light, buddy.
Oh god, that looks like. Oh god, that looks like expired oatmeal.
Uh-oh, I think we lost some on the floor. All right.
Yep.
We want to drain out the liquid. You see all of it?
Uh-huh.
We want to drain that out. All right?
Can I? We're gonna clean up that mess, Dad?
What? Get out of here! All right, this looks like it's gonna take a few minutes to drain out. All right? You got any parsley in the fridge?
Let me check.
All right. See if there's any parsley in there. Let's go outside. We gotta get some parsley. Now we gotta go outside. I need a refill.
Really, Dad? And that's the wine.
Seriously, Kubrick? Look at that. See, nice the parsley. Look at the parsley. Wow. Smell that, Kubrick.
It does smell good. And Dad?
Yeah, man. Look at the basil. Look at my basil. It's like a romaine lettuce. Look at it. Look at it. Like a romaine lettuce.
I thought that was for me.
You gotta wash it down with a little wine. We need to cut some of this parsley here for our meatballs.
Oh, you come with surgical scissors?
We're gonna come over here like this, and a little chip. A little snip there. Snip, snip here, snip, snip there, and a couple of la-di-das. That's how we laugh the day away in the merry old land of Oz. So what do you think? You think that's enough? I think that's enough parsley, right?
That's enough.
Yeah? Okay. All right, let's do this, bro. Let's go chop this parsley.
Well, let's go chop it.
Come on, let's do it.
Okay.
Take these leaves off, buddy. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
You gotta take the leaves off before you chop it. All right?
Okay.
That one's done.
See? Look at that. Chopped parsley. Doesn't smell so good. Oh.
Would you stop that, please?
I'm sorry. It smells
Get that
good.
stem out of there.
A stem.
See the stem? Take it out. Throw it in the garbage.
I gotta throw a stem in it.
There you go.
I gotta throw a stem in the garbage.
All right.
Okay, Dad. How many times do I have to tell you to stop drinking wine and get to work on those meatballs?
All right, well, these are, I think we're ready to start making the meatballs. It's nice and drained.
Good.
All right, there we go.
I'm hungry.
Look at that.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Okay, we're gonna start with the mix. We're gonna put 4 eggs. Cuatro. Ready?
Nice.
One. 1 egg. 2 egg. 3 egg. 4 egg. All right.
Slice it.
4 eggs. All right. We'll put our parsley from our garden. Nice.
Dump in the parsley.
There's our parsley.
Then put in the cheese.
Huh?
Then put in the cheese.
No, the cheese goes away.
Okay.
Okay, how's that? Oh, got a little bit there. All right. We got this cheese.
Cool.
Got to put the Parmesan. We don't got pecorino, so we're gonna have to substitute. All right. Put a little of this cheese in there. All right. A little more. That looks good. Breadcrumb. About 2 cups. About 2 cups of breadcrumb. Bing, 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 bing. We're making a lot of meatballs today. All right. That looks good. All right. Now we got to get our hand in there. We're gonna get dirty. There we go. There we go. You get in there? There we go.
I'm not getting in there.
Get in there, buddy. Look at this, huh?
We're keeping it far away.
We're gonna make a nice meatball. We're gonna make a nice meatball, huh?
Sorry.
Look at the parsley. Look at this, huh? Sprinkle some more breadcrumbs. Come here. A little more. Let's go. Go, sprinkle. Sprinkle. Don't touch it. Keep going. A little more. A little more. A little more. A little more. Don't touch the thing. Shake it side to side. That's it. Back and forth. That's it. All right, Kubrick, look at this. I think we're at the consistency it needs to be at. How many meatballs do you think we're gonna get out of this?
I don't know what. I'm very hungry.
We're gonna have to wait. Have a piece of cheese.
Are these vegetarian?
Yeah, come here, look. See this? Take a little bowl.
Uh-huh.
How big you want your meatballs?
I don't know.
I say about that big, huh?
Pretty big.
Let's see. Let's make a little meatball. See? Like this.
Make a little meat.
Is that a good meatball?
Yeah, that's good.
Let me see. Is that good for you?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah? A little smaller or is that good?
That's good.
That's good. So we're gonna put a little hole in there like this, right? Watch. Take a piece of cheese like that, and we're gonna close it in there like this. See? We're gonna put the meatball in there like that. Right? And we're gonna put it in here like this. Right? And we're gonna roll it like this.
Nice.
Maybe I'll make the next one a little smaller. See? And there you go.
Yeah.
And there's your meatball. See? And we're gonna fry that. All right?
Yeah, I'm fried meatballs.
I'm gonna fry that up.
Like that.
All right?
The more I see them, the hungrier I'm getting. Wow, that looks really good.
We got to be fast, Bo, because they're frying very quick. All right? Get the cheese in there.
Come on,
Right?
come on.
You got to get 3 of them done while they're frying. All right? Got to get 3 of them done. See that? There's 1. The cheese in the middle. Cover it up. All right? And then get some breadcrumb on the outside. You ready? Whoa! There we go. Just a little bit of breadcrumb. One more, buddy. One more. Hold on. See how fast? Hold on. Get that in there. There we go. Give it a quick spin. All right. Get it in there like that. All right. Let's get those out. Whoa! Look at those. How nice. You ready? 1, 2, and
Go.
they're out. 1, 2, and it's out. Okay. Now we gotta put 3 more in. 1, 2, 3.
Is this?
Now we got to make 3 more while those cook. Ready? That's 2.
Hey, Dad, you're gonna try out those meatballs, or you're just gonna keep on drinking that cheap wine?
Cheap? What are you calling cheap? Let's see what we got, buddy. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? You nice and tight on that? Some light on it? You ready? And let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow. Wow.
Okay,
Let's see. You ready?
you eat it.
Oh my God.
Look at that string.
Oh my God.
Oh, you got a spicy one, right?
Yep. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's amazing.
Okay,
Rita, taste.
This way.
It's the one with the jalapeno cheese. Oh my God.
Come on, Mom. Is it good?
It's the best.
Okay.
Anybody want some chips?
Taste it, buddy.
I do. This is a vegetarian Italian meal.
We're vegan.
How was that?
This is not vegan.
You like helping? That was cooking with Kubrick.
Want some cheese?
Really, really good. Better than a meatball. Good job,
I'm
Dad.
gonna make it nice. Look at that. Look at that nice basil. Oh. A little more sauce. Nice, huh? Nice. I'm just having meatballs, that's it. Just having these balls. You ready? Let's see what we got here. Nice, huh?
Proud?
That's pretty damn good. To Pasquale and his famous eggplant meatballs.
To Pasquale!